The first step is to open Google Sheets, and click Blank Spreadsheet to open a new workbook. When you open a new workbook, you might see this table sidebar. Let's click Close to see how you access this sidebar if it doesn't automatically show up. If you do not see the table sidebar, click Insert. Click Tables. You get the same sidebar just without the image of a table at the top. When you hover over the name of a table type, it provides a preview of what the table will look like. First, we'll click Insert to insert an event tasks table. That table is now fully editable. First-time users might see some tips how to work with each table. After reading the tip and access the next one, click Next. You can see the 3 dots in the lower left corner of the tip means there are 3 tips available. After reading this second tip, click Next to access the last tip for this kind of table. When you finish reading the last tip, click Done. As long as the table sidebar is open, you don't need to create a new tab to create a new, different kind of table. Click Project Tasks to insert this new kind of table. You can see that it automatically created a new tab for this new table. This table, too, is fully editable. Click Next to read through the tips for the Project Tasks table. Read the tip, and click Next. When you're finished reading the tip, click Done. Click to insert Content Tracker table in another new tab. This is another fully editable table. Read the tip, and click Next. Read this tip, and click Next. When you are finished reading the tip, click Done. Let's see what a product prioritization table looks like. Click Insert next to Product Prioritization. A fully editable table was placed into another new tab. Let's look at one last kind of table. Click Recruitment Applicants to insert that table in a new tab. And they were just some of the featured tables. Scroll down the table sidebar, and you'll see dozens more options for preformatted tables that you can use with one click. To open the options for the types of tables you can use, click the arrow next to any heading. In this example, we'll click Event Planning. Use either the arrow next to a heading or scroll through the sidebar, and enjoy exploring all of the preformatted tables in Sheets.